So to design a business card, all you have to do is to open your Pixel app. After opening it, we're going to change the image size. That's the first thing. And we're going to make sure that our background is transparent. After changing the image size, the next thing is to bring in our shape. So we're going to be making use of a square shape. After that, we don't need the color. So we're going to reduce the opacity. We only need the stroke. So after that, we need the eraser to remove some parts of it. We don't need it. Then the next thing we will do is to bring in our text. After bringing our text, we type in the name and the profession. So you can decide to type in together if you know that you are making use of the same type of font. But if not, the best is to type it separately. After that is to put in the profession. After putting in the profession, you are done with that first part. You can change the font, change the color, is on to you depending on the style and the type of font that you want to use. After that, the next thing is to go to the back of the business card. Okay, how will the back of the business card look like? In that aspect, we are going to be we are going to remove the square and the name and everything because we still want to make use of the same page. But if you want to make use of another page, you can decide to close this one or save it as a project and open another one entirely. But instead of that stress, instead of that, just go to save it as a project. After that, just come here and close it. Once you close it, by that way you will not be able to see it on the screen and you have space to do another design. So after that, we are going to bring in all the information we want to be in the back of the at the back of the business card. The phone number, the email, link, location is on to you. You bring in the scanning code is on to you. But the best is for the scanning code to be there. That's very accessible. Then after that, you change the font just like the way you did for the design at the front of the business card. You change the font, you change the color depending on the type of font and color that you want to use. You bring in the elements like the symbol, the icons for the phone number, icons for email, icons for location. After that, we are going to save it and move to photo p. That's where we are going to be mocking it up. So as you can see on the screen, you can see that there's a straight line. That line is just like a design demarcation to demarcate the QR code from the details. So you bring in all your icon, your calling icon, WhatsApp icon, and the best is to lock them down so that by the time you start bringing in your icon, you will not have to be moving everything and everything will just be looking scattered. So you can, if you don't want to if you don't want to resize it manually, you can decide to use the maintain ratio. So it will help you resize it automatically. So after bringing in the WhatsApp, brought in the calling, then after that we'll bring in the email. You can add one more information. You can decide to add probably one of your social media link. Depends on you. So after this, you can see that we are going to bring in LinkedIn. So this LinkedIn, but LinkedIn information is not there. So we have to type it again. So we have we have our email. You can bring in all your icon first. Then you know that what is left is to type. So you go back to typing part and put in what you want. Can you see? Then you go back to where you are and yes, you resize if it's necessary for you to resize. Then the next thing is to change your font. Depends on you. Can decide to change it, can decide not to change it, but to make it professional you can change it. Change your font. You can decide to not change it and just bold in it. Then after that, you arrange and make sure they are aligned. You understand? Then after that, the video is actually explanatory, but I'll just be saying little things. Then after that, after aligning and all that, you can decide to bold in your text so that people will see it very well. And you can decide to adjust the design demarcation, depends on you. So make sure they are aligned perfectly well and there's no issue, so you can use the alignment, can you see? So it will help you in aligning. Then after that, all you have to do is to save. Make sure that when you are saving as png. So after that, after saving that, all we have to do is to make sure that the line spacing is perfectly well, like is aligned exactly. So you make sure that it is all aligned. Then after that, you can try to broaden your text, depends on you. And it depends on the color you are using again. If you're already using a bright color, it can automatically bring out those texts for you. Then you save it. After saving it, make sure you are saving as png. I'm saying it again because we are going to be going to photopea. Now, since we are going back to photopea, before we go back to photopea, we want to make sure that the our text has the same color. The front design and the back design has the same color. So after that, can you see we gave it the same color, and yes, that is it. After that, we are going to save it again as png. Can you see? So that's perfect. Then we're going to save it as png. After that, we're going to move to, I saved it as a project. I can try to come back to it and adjust it. It depends on you. So if you want to come back to the design to adjust the design, you can just save it as a project. Then after that, I went to photopea. After photo, when you open photopea, click on templates. When you see templates, you can search for business card. See, I've not even typed card, but I've seen a lot of different design, and I decided that okay, I want to pick this one. It might take a time before it load, but just be patient with it. So after it loads, the next thing you are going to do is to click on the element, then go to that layer part, double click the layer part and block the one that is there before. Then you click on open and place. After clicking on open and place, you export your design. Automatically your design will show there. After that, go and click on save as object, and automatically you have your design there. Then after that, I'll go to the second part, the second layer. I'll do the same thing I did for the first one. Open and place the design, make it bold. After making it bold, save as smart object. You see save in brackets smart object. After that, it will tell you that it have saved. Then you go back to your original design. Automatically you have your design. Then after that, you can decide to export it. So you click on export as jpg. After that, you are going to click on your save. It will download for you. After downloading, you will see it up that you can open it. And after you open it, all you have to do, you can decide to share it out, you can decide to keep it to yourself. So that is it. And you can also exchange the design too. I can decide that the design I put up is what I want to put down. The design I put down is what I want to put up. It's just the same process. You're just exchanging the design location. Do you understand? The design place, the one that is up, the one that is down. So as it, can you see? Like interchange it. For the layer one, I put the scanning part. For the layer two, I put the name, and that's it. And I save it. I'll go back to my first layer. After saving as smart object, I go back to my first layer. Automatically I have it. And yes, that is it. You can save it. After saving it, you have your design. You can share it out, so you can share it, but automatically it is already in your gallery, your image gallery. So that is how to design a business card.